हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज 15 अक्टूबर 2022 है और आज के करंट अफेयर्स इस प्रकार से हैं। सबसे पहला, हु टेक्स चार्ज एज द फोर्थ होल टाइम मेंबर एट SCBI सेबी एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज अनंत नारायण गोपाला कृष्णन. Second point, Union Minister Anurag Thakur has inaugurated water sports center in which city? And the correct answer is Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Next, which parliament has passed a new law to adopt the world's first single charger rule by 2024? And the correct answer is European Union. Fourth point, who takes oath as new Chief Justice of J&K and Ladakh High Court? And the correct answer is Justice Ali Muhammad Magre. Fifth point, who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court? And the correct answer is Justice Prasnan B. Varale. Sixth point, who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court? And the correct answer is Justice Pankaj Mittal. Seventh point, who inaugurated the Super Kings Academy at the MS Dhoni Global School in Tamil Nadu? And the correct answer is MS Dhoni. FIFA, in partnership with which organization, launches football for school projects in India? And the correct answer is AIFF. Ninth point, which film becomes highest rated film 9.6 on iMob? And the correct answer is Kantara. Last point for today's current affair is India's first ever sanctuary for the endangered slender loris to be set up in which state? And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. So guys, these were the today's current affairs. सो अगर आपको इसकी PDF फाइल चाहिए तो इसकी वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक दिया गया होगा. और अगर आपको मेरे ये करंट अफेयर्स अच्छे लगे सो काइंडली डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थैंक यू एवरीवन.